Welcome back, guys. Certainly. Here are some additional topics to include in the Beginner's Guide to Java Programming. Constructors. Constructors are special methods used to initialize objects of a class. They are called automatically when an object is created and can accept parameters to set initial values. Method overloading. Method overloading allows multiple methods with the same name but different parameters to coexist in a class. Java determines which method to invoke based on the number, type, and order of the arguments passed. Static keyword. The static keyword is used to create variables and methods that belong to the class itself, rather than specific instances of the class. Static members can be accessed directly without creating an object of the class. Access modifiers. Java provides access modifiers, public, private, protected, to control the visibility and accessibility of classes, methods, and variables. They define the level of access other classes have to the members of a class. Inheritance and polymorphism. Further explore the concepts of inheritance and polymorphism, including overriding methods. Understand how they enable code classes and flexibility and modularity. Collections framework. The Java Collections framework provides a set of interfaces and classes for storing and manipulating groups of objects. Learn about common collection types like ArrayList, LinkedList, HashSet, HashMap, and their usage scenarios. Exception handling. The exception handling by exploring different types of exceptions, creating custom exceptions, using try-catch blocks, and understanding the finally block for cleanup operations. File I/O. Explore Java's file input/output capabilities, including reading from and writing to files. Learn about FileReader, FileWriter, BufferedReader, BufferedWriter, and exception handling for file operations. Multithreading. Understand the basics of multithreading in Java, including creating and managing threads, thread synchronization, and concurrent programming. Explore the thread class and runnable interface. Java Standard Library. Introduce commonly used classes and methods from the Java Standard Library, such as string manipulation, math operations, date and time handling, and random number generation. Introduction to Java APIs. Highlight popular Java APIs and libraries that provide additional functionality for specific domains, such as JavaFs for graphical user interfaces. JDBC for database connectivity, and JSON processing libraries. Best practices and coding conventions. Discuss coding best practices and conventions that promote readability, maintainability, and efficient code. Cover topics such as naming conventions, code commenting, code formatting, and code organization. Debugging and testing. Introduce debugging techniques in Java using tools like breakpoints, stepping through code, and printing debug statements. Discuss unit testing and frameworks like Junit for automated testing. Introduction to GUI programming. Provide an overview of graphical user interface, GUI, programming in Java using libraries like Swing or JavaFs. Cover basics like creating windows, buttons, text fields, and handling events. Further learning resources. Share additional resources, such as in Java development tools, to help beginners continue their learning journey and explore more advanced topics. These additional topics will provide beginners with a well-rounded understanding of Java programming and equip them with the knowledge and skills to start building their own Java applications. Thanks for watching. Good luck.